Hi guys, welcome back. Today you're talking to Lily, the British icon. Hi guys, welcome back to JynxxVerse. It's your girl Uncle, and today we have an unboxing video. But
I thought it was fun
it's
boxing.
fun boxing.
That is so. God.
Fun boxing.
I have no words.
My cousin is my photographer, cameraman today,
Yeah.
and he's very nice because he agreed.
Really?
To this.
I don't want you to get demonetized. That's why I'm out here. Not saying much. Okay, so tell me about it.
Okay.
What are you doing? Tell us about it.
So this is the stand, tripod stand.
Tripod stand? Are you asking me or are you telling me?
I'm telling you, it's a tripod
cool.
stand.
Can it expand and retract in length?
What fudge? Oh, there we go. Sorry.
You should know. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's how it is.
I've never heard that before.
Oh wow.
Diddy.
Never had to fix appliances before.
I'm a woman.
What does that have to? What? You can't be saying that, girl. You can't be saying that.
I'm a woman, so I know these things. That's what I wanted to say.
Okay. Yeah, totally believe you.
It goes really high, though.
What goes really high?
Baka! What? It's taller than.
Well, that's unfortunate.
That's all for the tripod stand.
Really? Wow.
It makes me feel bad.
Makes you feel inadequate, doesn't it?
And now we have the ring light. This is the biggest ring light that I've heard of anyway.
How big is it?
It's 18 inches and it's really hard to open apparently. Oh, there we go.
So early into the phone boxing, you're already deceiving us.
Hey.
Hey.
Seems like everything is taller than me. But we shall be fine. It comes in a fancy bag. Ooh. Ooh. Woohoo! 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 Don't try this at home, you can suffocate.
Okay. I think you think very little of your subscribers.
Is this how you do an unboxing video? Is this right? It's a lot of things. Oh. Fancy? Yeah. Let's see what else is in the bag. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. We got a box. Do, 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 do. That's it. Okay.
Well.
We got some frames, lights, lenses.
Okay, wait, what?
There's glass in it.
Wait, that's how you changed it. Oh, that's.
Oh, so these. Oh, okay. So you put them on it.
Really?
Yeah.
We hadn't thought of it.
Okay.
We hadn't even thought of it.
We didn't know.
We didn't know, did we? Technical difficulties ensue. 3 hours later. So after some, technical difficulties,
we figured it out. It has like a dial on the bum bum. Now you can make it really low, and you can make it really high, and you can make it really.
You're like fucking up the light balance in the room. You know this, right?
I'm so cute, guys.
Are you though? Like,
I look like the sun, cause you're my entire world.
Ugh.
Now we're going to try the white light frame thing, guys. So this charger that I came with that time, yeah, you plug it into there's this little thing.
You forgot that you have to tell them that you changed the thing.
Oh, I changed the body. Yeah, I want to show them how the light works. So this is the frame for the white light, for the warm light rather. But now we've changed to the white light. So it comes with the charger that you plug at the booty, right here, the booty hole. And it's actually really tricky to set up the frame. So I'm just going to leave it set up. Now it has this dial as well at the booty, the other booty that you can use to control the light.
You're gonna look at it.
It's the moon.
The moon.
The moon.
It's not the moon.
The black moon emoji.
The black moon emoji. That is a terrible joke.
No, it's not.
Let us see your face. Shame. That's a comedy violation. Alright, so what?
So now we're going to set it up on the tripod.
What?
There's more stuff, isn't it? Okay, here. This is the dial for the camera. And for the phone, it's a 360 dial. It goes all around and all around. Yeah, so now we're gonna set up. Sorry for the background noises. I have neighbors. I don't have my own island yet. Sad. It's a lot of confusing stuff though. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing.
You want them to see that you try.
So this guy comes in here.
Okay.
Or in here. Yep. Square it up. And then that makes it possible for a camera to be here. Or for the phone stand as well. Really. Ta-da! Or you can put the phone stand in here.
Does the phone stand stretch or anything like that?
Yeah. Now we're going to try with my phone. Actually with his phone. Because my phone records. To check out my TikToks, visit my TikTok channel. No, that's not right. Follow me on TikTok.
You don't even know how to plug yourself. That is
Follow me on TikTok
rookie stuff.
for more content.
We were making this video,
and then
and, like, as we were making the video, a delivery came in, and it was the camera that we always wanted, apparently.
You guys, bruh, it's the Canon EOS M50, y'all. This is a very emotional time for me right now because, like, I have 300 subscribers. This is contain yourself. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, 2-year warranty. I think that also says that. Yep. There. And it's really cute. Just like me. Yo. It's so cute. It's so cute and small, like me. So it has a flip screen. Yeah. Ooh, yep. So you can take selfie videos and regular videos. I seen them. This is the EOS series use a different type of lens, so I can't just use any lens except I get the whatchamacallit. Oh bro, so I'm gonna set up and I'll be back. And we're back. Check it out, it's so cute and little, like me. I know the battery is dead, so I can't really do much right now, but I'm going to take a few pictures and a few clips with it and add it to the end of the video, probably with the ring light.
Okay.
By the way, yo, I'm going to get a snappy.
Hello? Yeah, how are you?
Don't put it off.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that video. My socials will be linked in the description box. Please check it out. And I'll also link where I got the products. See you next Wednesday.